I'm just trying to remember a worse time in my life. I don't think I can come up with one. This is some kind of marina. Here. Look at this. This is where I'm staying. I think I can get lunch till 11, or breakfast till 11. But have to be at the mechanic at 9. The guy's coming to pick me up at 8:30. He wants his 200 euros. So I might have to hire a car. I tell you, I should be insured for this. I paid £62 in European breakdown insurance, and I ring them up and they tell me it's after 8 p.m. Ring back at 8 a.m. They've got to be kidding. Right, well, a lot of thought's gone into this, especially these etchings here. I mean, this is very good how they've done this bit here all the way up. It's just very cunning, very artistic. What can we put here to just add a little bit of savoir-faire to this beautiful dockside area, and said, look, let's do that. Let's put them there. That's just beautiful. But it costs a lot of money too. It's a lovely maple tree there. So, as you can see, there's just no one around. In Europe, they just don't come out of their holes until 9 o'clock. There's just no one anywhere. And it's 8 o'clock. The bell's just rang, 8 o'clock. Now this would be, yes, it's lovely. A lot of work's gone into this. Excellent, it's excellent. There's obviously some explanation of like what the hell's going on here, that it's been taken off. And that's just lovely. Lovely bit of artwork. I'll have to be back at the hotel at 8:30. So I'm just going to go over here. Oh, hang on, can I get through? I can't, I've got to go over this way. I'm going to go and see the church quickly and then go back. There'll be a hustle and a bustle here later on today. Oh, and here it is, look at that. It's a massive church. Just no one around, it's insane. The Office of Tourism has their own church tower. I think it might be open. That helps, doesn't it? Le terre du foyer. There's a German storming through the streets here, pushing the English back onto the shores of Dunkirk. Nothing in here. These huge doors. That's it. 1, 3. Wow, it smells like a church. I think it's this old wood. It's very dark in here. Look at these massive stone pillars. Oh. The chairs. No one's falling asleep in them. Do they get this many people coming to church? Oh, look at these backward praying chairs. That's odd. Is that deliberate or? called Hail, the Queen of Heaven. Look at that. That's her. Herod's eagle, of course. Poor woman in her misery. Deary me, it's horrible, isn't it? Good on you, buddy. What's the point? Leaning to the left as usual. Some kind of Last Supper. These are the French. Look at this. This is the Last Supper. Let me show you what they did at the Paris Olympics. Let's compare them. That and this. And any of this. You can only read the pictures. Jean Bart, the Village de Dunkirk, 1865. Come on. This is ridiculous. Oh, I can't wait that long. It's absurd. It's only 8:30. You get all that for 8:30. There's a couple more people walking on the street, but not that many. I think this is the way back. And now it's starting to rain. This is great. And just everywhere you go, just like this, everywhere you go, every city in Europe is just noise. How do I get across? That's my place over there, that big one, don't you know?
It stops when you move. It's beep beep beep.
Yeah.
Yes.
So look, bloody hell. There it is. Unbelievable. Right, we're going to the mechanic. Right, it's a cash machine here to get out 200 euros. So this so it better work. I tell you what, or I'm in all kinds of trouble. Here's the bike over there. Goodness knows where we are. Forgot the bloody key to unlock it. We've got to go all the way back now to get the key to unlock the disc lock. It's just I can't. Oh, here we are. What's it called? Motorland. It's a very big. He's explaining to this guy what's happened with English bikes here. And there it goes. Unbelievable. And where he's taking it. So I've lost the GoPro. It's gone. I think it got stolen out of my jacket when I left it at that cafe. It's just right, here's the update now. I've dropped the bike off. I forgot the keys, had to come all the way back to the hotel to get the keys to the bike and give it to the guy. I've left it there. I've come back to have breakfast at the thing. It's shut down. So I paid for breakfast, like, I don't know, 30 euros gone, right? I've come up here to pack up the bag. The keys are gone. I cannot find the keys. I took them off the key ring at the motorbike place. I'm sure I would have put them in my pocket. They're gone. No keys. So when I shut this, I can't open it. Unbelievable. I'm just trying to remember a worse time in my life. I don't think I can come up with one. So I've got to go and hire a car now. It's just quick walking distance, but they shut in about half an hour. So I've got to go and get this car, come back here and get my bag, which I can't open now, go to the place where I dropped the bike off and get the keys, then go back to the village that broke down and walk around the street seeing if my camera dropped out of the jacket while I was walking all over the village trying to sort things out, going to the police station, there were none there, going to the cafe, walking around. So oh man, it's just so bad, you've got no idea. I already had great anxiety about coming over here in the first place, and then for this to happen is it's peeking out, I'm telling you. I feel like jumping. I was on the 5th floor, I opened the window to see if I couldn't jump out, and I couldn't open the window enough to get through. Right, so I'm going to find this place now, and the Avis. And what I had to do, because I've left the hotel, I've got no internet. Get this, I can't get my phone to work, because when I apply to get roaming over here, it sends a text to my phone to let me do it. The phone's not working. That's the whole point of doing it. It's the vicious loop. So I cannot have a phone, so I've had to take pictures of Google Maps of the mechanics, how to get there, of the Avis over here. I'll go to Avis. Well, that was Avis, no cars. Eurocar is just down here, he said, on the left. Oh, am I going to get a break? Well, just a single break. I haven't had a break since 5:30 yesterday morning. Nothing has gone right, and I mean nothing. I can document it for you. Nothing has gone right. It's insane. So we sit down here and to the left.